welcome back. I think the transmission is done, just about done. Boy, oh boy. I'm gonna nurse it along here. I don't want to get towed. I don't want to be sitting along a busy interstate, just nursing it along. Maybe I'll turn the dash cam on. Come on, dash cam. It's like all we can do to maintain 60 mile an hour on the interstate. I at least want to get to the next exit that at least has a gas station, auto parts store. There's a couple exits coming up. Maybe just steady as she goes. Exit 25. There's a pilot and a gas station. We better get off here, I think. I was gonna try to get down to the next one because I think there's a auto parts store and a Walmart and stuff. But it's better that I am. 600 feet, keep right to continue toward Richard Road. I don't know. I'll be back in a minute. I don't even know if it's going to pull out here. At least in high gear. Well, it's a 3-speed transmission, and third gear is not feeling too well right now. I don't know what it's going to do pulling out here. Hopefully first and second gear is okay for a little bit. Oh boy. I don't know what this is going to involve. I know the transmission doesn't leak. I mean, it hasn't. Maybe it's suddenly developed a leak, but I'm going to get up here and check the fluid, of course, first thing. And we'll go from there. No, come on. We gotta get up here at least to the Circle K. Come on.
Make a U-turn at Sportsman Club Road.
I really don't want to come to a complete stop. Let's keep it rolling. Yeah, it didn't like that at all. That wasn't too bad that time. Oh, there it goes.
In 400 feet, turn right.
Yeah, we're just gonna pull right in here for now.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Sportsman Club Road.
I guess maybe the first thing to do is look underneath and see if there's a puddle of transmission fluid. There's some liquid up there, but I don't think that's we're gonna go to the other side and have a look. I think this is from a previous vehicle. That's just like water. That's not transmission fluid. That's not from the bounder. I don't see. No. No, and that's pretty typical of these older ones. They do get a a little oily, but I don't know. Wait a minute. What's this? There might be some. I think I am losing some transmission fluid. Maybe that has started a leak not too long ago, or I don't know. I've never noticed any dripping underneath it before, so maybe that gasket's just getting old, and maybe it's been slowly starting to seep for a while now, and it's just gotten that low. Well, hopefully I'll check the oil, or I'll check the transmission fluid, hopefully top it off, and it'll be okay again. Let's hope, huh? It wouldn't hurt. It's probably due for that pan to come off and change the filter and put new transmission fluid in it anyway. But we're gonna top it off for now, and if it behaves okay, well, we gotta start there first. And then I'll just plan on getting the gasket and filter kit to get that leak fixed, and let's keep our fingers crossed. I don't want to have the bounder towed and have to go to a transmission shop and probably have to get a motel, and I'm not gonna get ahead of myself. I don't want to go that way. Let's see what's going on. There's Bella, totally unaware that we could be in trouble here. Alright, I haven't had the cover off in a while. Yes, it's overdue. Sometimes transmission can be one of them things, if it's not giving you any problems, that you just kind of forget to check. Or I might have caught this sooner. So let me just take these couple of screws loose here. That's it, and this lid comes up. Ooh, come on. There's the air cleaner, and the dipstick is hiding right there. I'll set that back down a minute. Come here, come on, let's go this way. You go to the back for now, okay? Because pretty warm air is going to come up out of that cover. So we want some fresh air in here. At this stage of things, I hope it checks low, because if it's still pretty full and it's slipping, well, then we are done. That's bad. If it's slipping because it's a lot too low, then we should be able to add and maybe be okay. Please check low. Oh boy. Well, even though that it's dripping a little bit out there, it's not a significant loss. It's about a half a pint low, which is still in the normal operating range. Wow, that's bad. We're in trouble. Man, we are in trouble. The thing is, we did stay at that one campground for a couple of days. It was nice, and I thought, well, you know what, if we're gonna be stuck here in the south for a while, let's just go ahead and bite the bullet and let's just go ahead back down into Florida. So we're just east of, I'm sorry, just west. Where are we at? Yeah, we're just on the west side of Jacksonville. I don't know, a couple of miles, maybe 5 miles north of Interstate 10. We're on the 295 loop. about 5 miles. There's a Pilot across the street, and where are we at? Circle K. Not much else around. Oh man, I don't believe this. I don't even know what to do. I guess I'll call my insurance company and say, hey, who do I call for a tow? I've never had to do this before. I don't know. I'll get back to you. With the transmission being still full, I mean it's less than it's still in the normal range. And transmission slipping like that, we're done. We gotta go to a transmission shop. And they're probably gonna have it for at least a couple of days. All right, I gotta make some phone calls and see where we're gonna get towed to and how all that works, and probably end up at a motel later, get a rental car. I don't know if my insurance covers that or not, but I got some things to figure out. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, well, here's how this is going so far. Not well. I mean, actually, part of it is, part of it's not. I found a transmission shop that has a lift big enough to for the bounder to get up on for them to do the transmission, and they only want, he estimated $1,500 to $1,700 to fix the transmission, and they could get to it pretty quickly, and they could get right to it like next day or two. So that's good news. And of course, the repair, that's all out of pocket. So 15 to 17 roughly out of pocket. All right, I got it. Okay, that works. It's the getting there. It's the getting it there. 3 transmission shops. Well, I called about 6 or 7. 3 that could do it, could actually tow something like this. Southern Towing wanted $750. Well, my insurance should cover that, right? We'll get back to that. Another company, ASAP Towing, wanted $100 less, $650 to tow it. Now it's only like 12.6 miles, but still they got a big wrecker out here, and I'm towing a big thing, you know. So, but Southern Crane, they also have a big wrecker, $200 less than that. They want $450 to do it, which I am going to have to pay out of pocket because my insurance, my insurance and my bank had a miscommunication, and my insurance was canceled December 31st. She says your December 10th payment was not made. Yet I have an email receipt here. On 12/10, we began processing your payment at $65.38. That's how much my insurance is a month for the bounder. And they sent me out, okay, keep in mind, I get emails, your nationwide statement is ready, and it's due on so-and-so. I'm like, okay, so I pay it, and you get an email receipt, thank you for your payment, and that's just the way it goes. Well, automatic payment has been set up for a short while now, and it's been working. Well, there was a glitch in December, the December 10th thing, so it bounced back. I mean, they said, I got the receipt that they would begin processing it. I don't get a confirmation in these that it actually processed. Here, there was a glitch or something. It did not process, and they didn't email me. They snail mailed me a hard copy back to my address in Pennsylvania, which I'm on the road. I don't get that. I don't see it. So if they can tell me my bills are ready online, and I've signed up for paperless, so I don't get a monthly receipts, or your statement is ready, or a bill or a receipt. So I don't get those monthly things. It's paperless. And so I pay online, I get a receipt online. But when there's a problem, no, they can't email you when there's a problem. They send you a hard copy to your address, and no emails, no phone calls. So no insurance. So the towing bill comes out of my pocket. All right, $450. Okay. It's not the end of the world. What is gonna add up to beyond these costs is I have part of RV insurance is there's a vacation interruption thing that allows you, I believe, a rental car, but it does allow you lodging up to I think it was $200 a day in lodging. I can get a pretty fancy hotel for that. I'd be happy for a $50 a night thing. But so hopefully the transmission gets fixed pretty quickly, because the hotels around Jacksonville aren't real cheap. Actually, I did find one for $47. It's a dump, but that's okay. I'm okay with dumps. But if the transmission shop can fix it, you know, they get started tomorrow. It's too late to get it down there today. I'll probably have it towed in the morning and get it down there during there, because they'll be closing in an hour. So for a hotel for a night or 2 or 3, even if they start on it tomorrow, they could maybe get it fixed in a day or 2, maybe 3. Still, hopefully it goes that well, and hotel costs or car rental, that kind of stuff don't add up. Maybe I'll get lucky and they'll say I can just stay in the RV and won't have to worry about any car rental. I've heard of places doing that. I don't know if that'll be the case here or not, but yeah, the Nationwide lady, I called and I'm like, what? How can you not send me, you send me these emails? How come you don't send me an email when there's a problem? Oh, well, that's what we do. That's our policy, and that's how. Like, she asked me, well, do you want to pay that last amount and then we'll restart anew? I'm like, no, I don't think so. No, I'm good. I'll probably start a new policy with somebody else, and Nationwide can just, you probably thought I was gonna say so. Nationwide can just, goodbye Nationwide, goodbye. Anyway, that's where we're at today. We'll get it figured out. It'll be fun, maybe, even. I'll talk to you later. Bye.